This elegant Emma blouse is a comfortable and stylish addition to your wardrobe. In this lesson, we will show you how to sew it without a serger. The materials you will need for the Emma blouse are about 1 yard of knit fabric, matching thread, stretch needle, scissors, pins or weights. I folded the fabric in half and in half again. Line up your pattern along the folded edge of your fabric and cut. Cut the deeper neckline at the front. Pin shoulder seams. You can stabilize the shoulder seams with some twill tape, elastic, or a strip of interfacing. Line up and pin your tape at the shoulder seams. Set up your machine for a narrow zigzag. Start about 1/2 inch from the end of the fabric and do a backstitch. And sew. Do the same to the other shoulder. Sew with the wider zigzag stitch next to your first narrow one on the seam allowance side. Trim seam allowances. Fold the edge of your sleeve about 5/8 of an inch in towards the wrong side. Go around the curve, pinning every 2 inches or so. You can do a diagonal base stitch to help you along. This will preserve the elasticity of the fabric. Place the folded piece down, line up the machine foot with the folded edge of the fabric and sew. Use a pin to help you control the fabric. Take out your baste stitch. Carefully trim the excess. Pin your neckline about 1/2 inch and sew with a zigzag stitch. Don't twist your fabric, but keep it straight to create a clean, even edge. Press your seams. Turn the blouse inside out, take your sleeve edges and pin them together. Then, pin together your side seams, matching your notches, and sew. I will sew the same as the shoulder seam. First the narrow zigzag, and then the wider zigzag, and trim the seam allowances. Do the same to the other side. Fold your hem and sew with either way. You can use a zigzag stitch, as on our neckline, or you can use a double needle. You can choose either one based on your preference. And we are finished with our Emma blouse.